everyone, welcome back to my channel. You probably didn't expect me to be back way too soon, but I made a really exciting purchase yesterday that I could not wait to share with you guys. So if you're interested in seeing me unbox my new baby, then keep on watching. You guys have no idea how excited I am to make this video. I have not done an unboxing in years. I think the last time was over 3 or 4 years ago when I was studying abroad in France and I got some stuff at Louis Vuitton. But even then, this is the first unboxing of an item that I solely bought with my hard-earned money, and that just makes it the most amazing thing ever. So before we get in the bag, of course, there's like a little quick background story, I promise, but an update that I've been meaning to tell you guys on a vlog, but I haven't had time to vlog because life is busy. I actually started a new job, like I guess my first big girl job out of college, and I've been there for a few months now, and I feel like I've saved up enough that I could spoil myself a little bit. And this was kind of planned and unplanned because I was so busy buying stuff for everyone for Christmas. I knew that I wanted to buy myself something special after Christmas, which was going to be like my belated Christmas present to myself. I just didn't think it was gonna be this item. It ended up being more exciting than the items that I was gonna buy myself, and that's why this unboxing video is now happening. Basically, the first item I wanted to buy was a new work bag, and I wanted to get a Longchamp work bag and then an item at Louis Vuitton, and together I gave myself like a budget and all that, and it was gonna be a great day. And my mistake was after I went to Longchamp, so I did buy the bag. I just got, let me just quickly show it to you guys. I basically just bought a work bag, like a literal work bag that I could just use every single day. So it's just the Le Pliage, I think that's what you call them, but it's with like the all black. And then it's the large size. I have the smaller one of that with like the crossbody bag, but I wanted one that I could literally just like lug everything in and just put it over my shoulder and we're good to go. So I bought that. My mistake was, instead of going straight to Louis Vuitton like I planned, you know, buy the item and see if it's there, I decided to stop by Gucci, which was not in our game plan at all. Basically, once I got into Gucci, I literally just wanted to look around, and of course the salespeople end up talking to you, and literally 5 minutes later there were 5 bags in front of me that I wanted to see, and I was like, Nikki, what are you doing? Stay with the game plan. But obviously that didn't happen. This bag was not even on my radar, like I don't think ever. I mean, I've seen pictures of it and I've seen people like use it as their like what's in my bag handbag, and I've loved it, but I never thought like I'm not gonna spend that much on a bag like that. But she showed it to me, and seeing it in person and being able to just touch it, I obviously fell in love, and I was literally staring at it and I was like, I'm gonna get this bag. And here we are, and I have my baby. Look at this holiday bag. I love this pink, and you all know I'm gonna keep this. I swear to you, I'm probably going to find a way to like frame this and keep it in my room, because not only is it like a remembrance of me making my first big girl purchase, it also matches my room very well with my pink and gray and white. So we're gonna do something with that. Undoing the ribbon, there is a little Gucci box in there. Oh my gosh. And it came in this tiny Gucci bag. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love already. Like, this container just makes me so happy. But yeah, there you go. And I'm gonna go ahead and unbox. So removing the ribbon. There is the box, just the black cardboard, and then it has the white in the front that says Gucci. Of course, this is also gonna be decoration now. And then it has the magnetic closure. When you open it, the item is right there with the Gucci sticker, which is right there. Oh, here it is in its dust bag. There's the dust bag. Opening it, it's in a little protective, what is this? Is this styrofoam? Styrofoam, yeah. And you can see the GG right there. Oh, there it is, oh my God. The smell of leather is just like, and there she is. Oh my God, I totally forgot what it's called. I think it's called the Gucci Marmont camera bag. I don't know, I call this a camera bag, but oh my gosh, oh my goodness. This is crazy. But there you go. It has the chevron, and then in the back, it has the GG again with the chevron print as well. And this is, I think, the antique brass gold hardware. Let me go ahead and like undo this entire thing. So here it is in its full glory. So it is a crossbody bag with the gold kind of worn vintage finish. I am so in love. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna open it and remove the little paper inside, and I hope it also tells me what the bag is called. So it comes with the authenticity, and let me try to figure out the name of this. Is there another one? So there's the card. There's a responsibility card. I like that. What is the name of this? Oh no, how do I not know the name of this? Where is the receipt? Actually, it might not be a good idea for me to look at the receipt because I might cry all over again. Let's show the inside. So the interior is suede. So it's a suede material inside, and then it has one pocket, not zippered. It's kind of just like a slip pocket, and then the entire thing is just like free to use. And from what I have heard and what I've seen in like what's in my bag videos, this actually fits a lot for what it is. Most people would assume that this is just like an evening bag or going out bag, but I can actually see myself, and this is what I plan to do, using it every single day, putting everything in there, even just to go to the grocery store. This is such a great bag, and it's such a great starter bag if you are just getting into Gucci, especially the Marmont collection, because the price is not that unreasonable, if that makes any sense, for the first bag. So I'm so excited that I was able to get this, and it's a really good impulse buy, I must say, because I'm in love with it and I haven't even used it yet. Oh my God. So that was my new baby, my new pride and joy at the moment. And I think that's all I can say about it for now. You'll probably see her very often now, either on my Instagram or my videos, maybe do a what's in my bag sometime soon. But I think that's all I have to say for this bag. I'm obviously really excited, and this is forever going to be kind of like a symbol of my first kind of big girl job and the hard work I've been putting into that job. And I'm just so excited that I have this now, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat so we can keep in touch. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye!